2 free tools. 1 weekend. A real income stream. Most people know Canva as a design tool. Most people know Claude as a writing tool. Very few people have figured out what happens when you combine both of them into a specific business model that sells the same product over and over again without recreating anything from scratch. Today I am sharing that business model. It is not talked about in the AI income space. It is genuinely underused. And it is one of the most scalable zero-cost businesses available to anyone starting today. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The business model, branded template packages. The business is simple. You create branded template packages, complete sets of professionally designed Canva templates for a specific type of business or creator, and sell them as digital products. Not individual templates. Packages. A complete visual identity system for a specific niche. A social media template package for fitness coaches. A complete content kit for real estate agents. A brand starter pack for online course creators. A content calendar and post template set for life coaches. Each package contains 15 to 30 templates covering every content format that business type regularly needs. Instagram posts, stories, LinkedIn banners, email headers, presentation slides, lead magnet covers. Everything a business needs to look professional and consistent across all platforms. The buyer gets a complete done-for-you visual system. They customize the colors, fonts, and images to match their brand. They post professional-looking content immediately without hiring a designer. This is a product that sells because the pain it solves is universal. Small business owners and creators know they need consistent professional content. They do not have the time or budget to hire a designer for every post. A well-designed template package solves that problem permanently for a one-time payment. Where Claude comes in, Claude does not design the templates. Canva handles the design. Claude handles everything else. Ask Claude to research your target niche deeply before you start designing anything. What types of content does a fitness coach post regularly? What formats do real estate agents use most? What visual style performs best for life coaches on Instagram? Claude produces a complete content audit for any niche in under 2 minutes. This audit tells you exactly which templates to create so your package solves the real needs of real buyers rather than guessing. Claude also writes all the marketing copy for your product listing. The product title. The description. The bullet point benefits. The frequently asked questions. Everything a buyer reads before purchasing gets written by Claude in your brand voice. Ask Claude to write 3 to 5 variations of your product title and description. Test different angles, some focused on time saving, some focused on professional results, some focused on the specific niche. The right copy doubles your conversion rate from the same amount of traffic. Claude also writes your promotional content. The social media posts that drive buyers to your product listing. The email to your list announcing the new template pack. The launch sequence that builds anticipation before the product goes live. AI handles the words. Canva handles the visuals. You handle the strategy and quality control. How to build your first package in a weekend. Saturday morning, research and planning. Open Claude and ask it to give you a complete content audit for your chosen niche. What are the 10 most common types of content this business posts? What visual formats do they use? What colors, fonts, and styles perform well in this niche? What specific problems does their content need to solve? Use this research to create a template list, every single template you will build, the format, the content purpose, and the visual style. Saturday afternoon, design your first 10 templates in Canva. Start with the most commonly used format for your niche. Instagram square posts are usually the right starting point. Design one master template with strong typography, a clear layout, and a professional color palette. Then duplicate it and modify the layout for 9 variations. 10 templates in one afternoon using one consistent design system. Sunday morning, complete the remaining templates. Finish the full package of 20 to 30 templates covering all formats. Stories, landscape posts, LinkedIn banners, email headers. Each one built from your master design system for instant visual consistency. Sunday afternoon, package and list your product. Export all templates as a shareable Canva link. Create a product listing on a digital product marketplace. Ask Claude to write all your listing copy. Add 3 to 5 preview images showing your best template designs. Set your price between $17 and $47 depending on package size and niche specificity. Publish. Your product is live by Sunday evening. How to drive sales without paid advertising. Your promotional strategy is entirely organic and entirely AI assisted. Create a free sample template, 1 or 2 designs from your package, and offer it as a free download in exchange for an email address. Claude writes the opt-in copy. Canva designs the mock-up preview image. This builds your email list while introducing buyers to your template quality. Post consistently on the platforms where your target buyers spend time. A fitness coach template pack promotes naturally on Instagram and TikTok. A real estate template pack promotes well on LinkedIn. Ask Claude to write 30 days of promotional posts for whatever platform your buyers use. Every post drives traffic to your product listing. Over time, the content library compounds. Each post continues driving traffic long after it was published. Your action plan starting today. Choose your niche today. Ask Claude to run a content audit for that niche. Build your first template package this weekend. List it and let Claude write all your marketing copy. 1 weekend of building. Ongoing passive income from a product that never expires and never runs out of stock. What business niche would you build your first Canva template package for? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear AI and Canva business to start this weekend, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.